Where are we going, Jack?
Tour!
Paul, where are we going?
Tour.
Oh. Boards!
Before tour! Before tour!
Take a lot of videos and pictures of you guys. It's like the most high, so much work for that. Dude, this guy's the coolest dude you'll ever meet. He's off, dude. He's off to be cool somewhere else.
Dude.
So,
This thing's got a...
It depends on what time it starts, like opener, and like one of us, then Chicago band, and one of us, and then headline.
To get at to replace you have to unscrew the entire pick guard and like... Hey, where are we, Paul?
we're in Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Where are we, Jack?
Eat.
What are we doing here?
We're gonna play a music.
What kind?
Rap.
Why do you always just do peace signs and then not say anything or do anything?
I don't know, because I'm not gonna say it, bro.
It's all... Oh. What?
Mikey vlogs 20.
Go further out, go further out, dude.
Hey, how was the poop?
It's a good poop. My bowels feel slightly empty. 1 to 10.
2.
How was it? 2? Fuck yeah, man.
I pooped today.
I pooped today.
Did you?
Awesome. That's what it's talking about. But like, if you actually look at all the females in his paintings, they're like garbage. So they're like fat men babies with like boobs.
Fat men baby with boobs.
Yeah.
The 3 men babies right here with boobs. With boobs.
Whoa!
What are you doing?
Michael! Mikey vlogs 2012, bro.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Woo! I like the new shoobie song.
Very good. Alright guys,
Very
play
new.
Frogger.
Go play it, dude.
This is what Nick's idea to get 4 of us dead.
Don't.
No, Kiki, no! I'm ready to go down! No! Back up. Just let me down.
Easy car.
Do do do.
Crazy car.
Fucking
Crazy car.
And the top of it is gold, so like it sinks down.
Geggy,
Hi, Mom.
how you doing?
Good.
Where are we about to play, dude?
Fallout.
Wait, cut the video.
Okay, yeah, I'll cut
No,
it.
no.
I'll cut it.
Yo, what's up, dude? We're out here in fucking Seattle, chilling it up, bud.
I'm so tired, dude. I'm so fucking tired.
Yes, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, this is fucking dope. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. We just went through a fucking tunnel.
That was so sick, dude. Wow.
Whoa, we just went through a tunnel.
Like, let's go.
Saturday or Friday?
We wouldn't have an extra
Hi.
table, would we?
Wow.
No? They did.
Yep. Yeah, that red and orange like really fucking pop.
Yeah, it was just the outline.
Hello.
I saw that.
Mm-hmm.
Our girlfriends are hanging out.
Yeah, I thought
It's
that
so
was,
funny.
I thought that was funny. Like, as soon as I was
What-
just like,
what is this?
I'm like, hell yeah.
What is it?